WITSON.
Obviously the frame and stuff is obviously for the KIA Carens. So starting off, we've got the radio. So this is just your standard FM AM radio. Should work with your steering wheel controls over here. You can't see me messing with them, but I am messing with them. Obviously you've got volume over here as well. A little bit awkward to hit just because of the shape of that, but obviously wheel controls good enough. Just standard FM AM radio. I'll leave it muted obviously because copyright, etc. You got your Bluetooth, so this is your Bluetooth for your Android operating system. So you've got your keypads, you can download your phone book, save numbers, Bluetooth music, so that's for if you just want to Bluetooth to the unit and play a song from your phone. Your settings, so there's your Bluetooth reset, there's the name of the unit, auto answer, you probably don't want that on. Going back, we've got music, so if you put a pen drive with songs on, same with films, which I'll show you in a moment, it's basically got a file manager built in. So you've got your internal storage, you've got your external storage through like a USB or an SD card or whatever. You've got that, you've got your, I believe this car possibly has did it have a CD player originally? No. Okay, so some things obviously you don't have, so it won't work, but it's there. There's your file manager, so this is obviously similar to a computer or anything with a file manager really. You've got your internal, and then if you have something plugged in, it'll show up over here. So obviously photos, audio, video, films, etc. So you can store them directly onto the unit. You don't just have to keep the pen drive in. You can move them along onto the unit, and then obviously they'll work from there. Gallery, probably don't need to use that. You've got your video player, so this is if you do put a film into it. Obviously they put tester videos on, so you can just check the video and stuff on them. Picture-in-picture does work, so you can have a little window here, so you'd add something open on that side or whatever, that works. Get rid of that. Going across, you've got your settings, so this is all your unit settings. So you've got your Wi-Fi at the moment, not connected, but we are connected to do updates and stuff onto the unit. Data usage, so if you do put a SIM card into it, they show up here, and obviously you can just switch data on. You swipe down from the top, you got your Wi-Fi, you got your data, airplane mode if you turn your car into a plane, you've got the screen off, clear memory, standby, reboot, brightness, pretty standard. Yeah, mobile network stuff, device settings, so you got your display, your wallpapers, your sound settings, you've got your, oh also, this is worth knowing, there you go, so if you ever have one of these units, turn that off because it's very annoying. Your equalizer, so let me go back to the radio and show you this. Let me just hire this up. It's the M&M song. Go to the equalizer, loud. Anyway, probably switch that off. But yeah, you get the point. You've got an equalizer. Fields, you can set it up like that. Default it. You got your fields, so I'm pretty sure that controls obviously rears, driver, co-pilot, all. Surround sound, stereo sound enhancement. You just switch that on or off. You got your bass and you got your sound filter. Going on, this is the car link, so this is for your CarPlay or Android Auto. So what I'll do now is I'll just quickly connect my phone to the unit. One thing is you can't connect to it while the unit's using its own internet connection, or you're hotspotted to it, anything like that, or if the data's on. So basically it needs to be offline, the unit itself, and then you just pair it up on your phone, and then it should connect, allow access to contacts and messages, so obviously calls and stuff will come through. And then this is your Android Auto. Obviously I'm an Android user, so if this was let's say an Apple phone, you'd have Apple CarPlay, and obviously this just uses your phone to basically move your apps over. So yeah, it's pretty standard. Obviously works like a lot of other units, so Spotify's all there, you've got your Google Maps, you've got whatever, you can say like take me to Anfield Stadium, listening. Ah, well, that usually works. I think just because we got shit signal in here is probably the issue. But yeah, phone book and all stuff works through that as well. If we exit that, obviously it's still connected in the background, but yeah. Touch assistant, this little thing here, you can turn that on or off. Basically just gives you another way to go back and access your apps and stuff. Oh, no, double mispress, oh, triple mispress. There we go, I got bad depth perception. So this just gets into your apps and stuff. Pretty useless, but it's there. Going across, you've got your Google Maps, you've got your navigation app, you've got your Play Store, radio settings. These are your steering wheel controls, so if they're not working, you can program them. Going across, you've got YouTube, voice search, all that good stuff. But yeah, that's pretty much it, to be honest. There's a lot of stuff you can do, obviously, on your settings and stuff. We have installed a reverse camera today. You launch your app settings, so if you install any other maps from the Play Store for the Android side of it, you just set the hotkey so that when you press this here, it boots up whatever it is you want. So maps, go back, press that, Google Maps. But yeah, obviously that needs an internet connection, so you'd have to hotspot it or put a SIM card into it, but it does work. And yeah, any apps you install off the Play Store will just show up here, and then you can add CarLink to there, and then tap and hold, and you should be able to move them across and stuff. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Also, miles per hour to kilometers per hour is there. But yeah, that's pretty much it today anyway. Top right here.
WITSON